Hey, how's it going, everyone? My name is Jorge Cruz. I am DJI's North America Retail Training Manager, and what I've got in my hands right here is the brand new Osmo Pocket 3. The Pocket 3 includes a 2-inch flip-out screen. You saw me flip it out, and it powers on immediately, so it's ready to capture all those beautiful moments that you may not be ready for, but your camera definitely is. I love this screen because if you use the Pocket 2, you know that the screen can get a little small, a little tight space. So this is going to be a 700 nits 2-inch screen that flips out, powers on, also powers off. So the moment I close that, it gives me the option to allow it to power off, or no, I wasn't done using it yet. So that's one of my favorite features of the Pocket 3. Another feature I love about this is actually the image quality. Besides being amazingly portable and super versatile, it's also got a 1-inch CMOS sensor. 1-inch CMOS sensor is going to give it an amazing image quality, especially compared to cameras this size. You're going to be able to get great colors, depth of field, and low light shooting is going to look great on. You're not going to have overexposed areas. You're going to have true to life light, and then also those deep blacks that are going to allow the shadows to stand out without just looking like a big dark mess. So we've got the flip out screen, we got the 1-inch sensor, and the last thing I want to talk to you about on this camera, it's actually not on the camera itself, but it's compatible with one of my favorite accessories that you might be looking at me here using. It's actually the new version of the DJI mic. The DJI mic transmitter is going to connect directly to the Osmo Pocket 3, and if you purchase the creator combo for the Osmo Pocket 3, it comes included in the package. So those are my top 3 features for the Osmo Pocket 3. I hope you enjoy yours.